Here's a cheat code to this video. All you need to do is to remember all these keywords: 21 days, 100 sports modes, health insights, and fashion. Got it? Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So here I have the HUAWEI Watch GT6 and also the GT6 Pro. So these watches are so amazing because they can last for 21 days without the need to charge. And that is definitely something that's unheard of, especially when it's a fashionable watch with loads of features. Let's talk design. The GT6 Pro comes in 46mm with triple protection, ultra hard metallic coating, aerospace grade titanium alloy, sapphire glass on the front, and nano crystal ceramic on the back. With all these premium materials, it only means that it's scratch resistant, IP69 water resistant, and corrosion resistant. The GT6 comes in two sizes, 41mm and also 46mm, and it comes in stainless steel. Looking at the display, you can see that it is now bigger, uses AMOLED technology, and brightness can go up to 3000 nits. So the GT6 uses Huawei's brand new sunflower positioning system featuring industry's first 3D positioning fusion technology that delivers a 20% improvement over the previous generation. And that means your runs or your cycles can be tracked precisely with enhanced accuracy. It also comes with Running Coach, which is able to provide running guidance and information as you run. So even when you run against tall buildings in the city, every movement is precisely tracked without interruptions. Now the sunflower positioning system can also track cycling precisely now. It features cycling FTP, or better known as functional threshold power, and industry's first cycling virtual power, which enables accurate measurement without relying on external power meters, bike meters, heart rate band. There's also automatic cycling detection, so when you pause at the traffic light, it knows. And that also means all you need is just the HUAWEI GT6 series watch. Now, if you're an avid outdoor sports person, you should also know that this thing, the HUAWEI Watch GT6 Pro, can also track golf, trail running, and free diving. Now, but if you are a casual sports person, the HUAWEI Watch GT6 series can also track more than 100 types of sports modes. Some safety features are also included, for example, fall detection, team up, which is a feature that enables a group of cyclists to share real-time location and data, and also altitude monitoring for hikers. Now with the HUAWEI Watch GT6 series, you get amazing health insights as well, like certified heart health with ECG, sleep monitoring via True Sleep technology, health insights which combines all data and summarizing them in an understandable format, and upgraded emotional well-being analysis. Remember the panda? The GT6 Pro is also capable of performing ECG readings anytime and anywhere. Now the HUAWEI GT6 series is best paired with HUAWEI Health app, which is available on Android or on iOS. And it can provide features like sleeping stress relieving music, smart stay fit plans, nutritional analysis, and meditation. All these features are provided free for 3 months. So my advice is, once you get the HUAWEI GT6 series watch, go to HUAWEI Health app and register as a member. So in short, the HUAWEI Watch GT6 series is a smartwatch with super long battery life, loads of working modes, great health insights, and has convenient features like touch and go QR payment and door access cards. For frequent travelers, this watch also supports My Border Pass app, so it makes it a lot easier to go through immigration. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to know more about the watches, find the link and also description below this video. And if you love to watch videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!